Good day, sir and madam. I am Flordelisa Paredes and I am 45 years old. I have one child, married. I've been working in Singapore for almost 19 years. My first employer, they are from Singapore. They are Singaporean and they have two children, age 3 and 5. My duties to them is cleaning the house, look after the toddlers, washing the clothes, ironing, and cooking, but I focusing on the toddlers. My second employer, I've been working to them for more than 10 years. My job to them is cleaning the house, cooking, marketing, ironing, and wash the car. My third employer, they are from Russian and Dominican Republic. I look after the infants. The baby is only 8 months when I joined to their family. I do cooking, cleaning the house, marketing. My third employer, they are from America. They are American family. They have two child, age 13 and 16 years old, and they have two dogs and one cat. My main duty to them is look after the dogs and cats. And then I do also marketing, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, and sometimes playing with the 13 girl. My fourth employer, they are from UK. They are a couple family, and I look after one dog, two cats. My main duties is look after walking the dog, bringing outside for poo and pee, showering give him bath every once a week, and feeding the cats and cleaning the house, do marketing, ironing, and maintaining the house. My fifth employer, they're an Indian couple. I look after dogs. They have no cats, only dog, and same thing, I do cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, and marketing and cooking, but I focusing on the dog, bringing him out, walking in the morning, afternoon, and night, 3 times a day. My last employer, there are Singaporean, the madam is Singaporean, and the sir is from UK. I look after the newborn baby until 17 months. And then they also have 4 cats. My main duties to them is focusing on the infant's baby. So I look after him, I give him baths. I'm the one who give him bath, feeding him, play him, and bringing outside play dates. The reason I came home into the Philippines because they're relocating in Japan and they cannot bring me along. Hoping, Madam and Sir, if you choose me to be your helper, I'm do my best to please you and to do my job, and I can consider your family as mine. I can work until you need me, until my age still can. Thank you, Madam and Sir. Hoping you can choose me. Thank you. Bye.